let's go ahead and create our August mixed media project. I'm super excited about this one, and you know, just something a little bit different from the canvases that we've been doing the last few months. And so I wanted to do something different, so I'm glad I was able to get some of these picture frames for us to alter. So I have went ahead and primed these frames for you. Now you can add more gesso to the frames whenever you get them, or you can leave as is, you know, kind of a distressed look. And what I am doing, I primed this frame with 2 coats of gesso, and there were a few parts around the frame that it did not cover up completely. So I wanted to add to that distressed, aged look. So I am dry brushing on some of the Victorian green paint that is in your kit in the places around the frame, and I really like how this is turning out. something a little bit different in this project as opposed to the last month's projects. I wanted to add more of a background to my frame. So I took a piece of paper from the collection, that is going in like the scrapbook, the junk journal, the mix box subscriptions. And I cut out a piece 7.5 inches by 7.5 inches by 9.5 inches. I sewed around the edge and also distressed the edge with a pair of scissors. And so I'm going to be gluing that on top of the glass. But first I want to take my stencil, use one of the sprays from the Shimmer Mist. Each month I'm going to be creating a new collection of Shimmer Mist. So for this month it's Victorian Rose Collection because that's the name of the paper. And I am using the brown color for this particular project. You may be getting the pink rose or the light olive or the misty mauve or the blue or the brown color in your kit. And so whichever color that you receive, you can use that with the stencil. And I like where it gives just a hint of color and then you get a little shimmer behind it. So I really like the effect that it has. So I'm just kind of using, just kind of creating layers of interest with the stencil. First using the Shimmer Mist, and then I'll be coming back with the crackle paste and adding that. So that's where we're getting more of our texture, and then we will let that dry and start adding some paint and some more of the Shimmer Mist.